William Ruto asiritu kuria rero ni goarigania abaki benkoyo ba Harambee Starlet ase nyomba y'obugambi aigo mucho Nairobi ayamagega yokubarigania ekirabu k'enkoyo kya Migori Youth FC aburitu koregoro bunenchereyemo yogosira abagosoria bense ya Kenya. Etimu eye ne yabana bari inse y'emyaka 15 abange babo bakorokurwase obumenyo bw'ebibanda nigo bono bamusabire OMORAI BWENSE kuba obumenyo buya na kubakonya konyora oburwaria bwabosa ekero banyorire chingoma cy'ikigosori. OMORAI Ruto ORIIRE yogochia OKOBAIKERANERIA AMAGANIO abo ONSI.
Now for now that we are qualified for the World Cup, na naweza penda kusema like tuko na request Mr. President, na ya kwanza tunaomba kama unaweza provide ya medical cover to all of us, all of the players, the technical bench. Juu unapata time mtu ameumia, mchezaji ameumia, where we are coming from ni a poor background, mzazi haizi afford kulipa the medication. Juu unapata mtu anafaa kwenda surgery, but I believe the surgery inaweza kuwa expensive, so wazazi wetu hawana hiyo pesa hiyo ku afford kulipa, so tunaomba kama unaweza tusaidia na hiyo medical cover. Then affordable houses tunaomba affordable houses Mr. President. Juu most of us tunatoka kwa ghetto, unaona, like Mathare, Kibra, Kawangware, na tuseme kuna places zingine crime scenes zinapatikana, so unapata si wachezaji tunaishi huku tunaweza patikana kwa hizo some scenes, so it has not been easy with us, so tunaomba kama unaweza toka huko kwa ghetto to change at least lifestyle.
We are going to compete at the World Cup. We want to go beyond the group stages. And then now, once we go beyond the group stages, taking a team to the World Cup twice is not easy. So, Mr. President, my first request would be, please see that they have a contract with the government, that they may continue to nurture talent every single day, and World Cup should be a routine for the technical bench.
A young girl from Lindi, here in Kibra, scored the equalizer that changed the direction of the match. From that moment, you did not merely recover, you took control. Won 3-1 on the day and completed a 5-1 aggregate victory and booked your place at FIFA World Cup. That goal carries a lesson far greater than football. It reminds us that when young people are given an opportunity and trusted to perform, they often rise beyond every expectation. There is school on one side, there is football on another side, and there is athletics somewhere. Your journey reminds us that excellence has no age, and that discipline in classroom and discipline on playing field reinforces each other. Some of you come from informal settlements, and we all understand the indignity of living in informal settlements. Mumezungumzia kuhusu mambo ya afya. Therefore, I want to assure you as you step forward that you will have a cover that will cover everything, including the surgery that you have.